Let's make sure the stream is running, because I haven't done this in a hot minute. Uh-oh. Why can't I view stream? And that's probably because of this. Hey, I'm hearing myself now. And it's probably gonna loop. Okay. Let's see. I will close that. I should close a lot of things, really. But I am stubborn and lazy. That is why my computer suffers. One day it will not suffer, though. But that day is not today. Instead, I shall suffer with coding. Who am I kidding? I'm not going to suffer. I enjoy coding. I find it cathartic. Stream is looking good so far. No dropped frames. Unity is taking a long time to load. Oh, never mind. It just opened on the other screen. There we go. Oh, you know what? I should point out what we are doing. Let's see. Live edit. I guess I do this. Damn, that is fucking huge. I need to change the color. What happens if I make it black? Okay, that did absolutely nothing. Clear. This just goes to show how little I know. Oh, hello. Here's where color settings are. Okay. Good. Select color. How does that work? Oh, wrong okay. I can make that a little brighter. You know what? Let's go in true coder fashion. Voila! It is green. Too green. Well, too bright of a green. That's blending with the white a bit. Nope, that's not the one. This should do. Okay, yeah, that looks legible. I mean, okay, that's a much better angle for that monitor. Good enough. Don't need to be perfect. You know what? For convenience, I should put the chat on my second monitor. What the fuck? I forget how to do it. Ah, there we are. And now I think I can close the stream. And I should be able to... Yeah, there we go. Okay, that is nice. Do that like that. Okay. Let us begin. Let's see. Create entity generate. That's not how you spell. Generation source. For convenience. Okay. Module creator. Now if I double click that, Visual Studio Launch is... For fuck's sake, I have not coughed in a week. Why? Oh, it must have been the candy. Must have been the heat bar. I guess the shrapnel hit in the back of my throat. Okay. I will bring this here because I don't need to look at editor for the moment, and I do not mind this code being shown. Let us see here. Okay, and it looks fine in stream. Good. So each cell is a 6-side cube. So generation must generate 2 to the 6 minus 1 cells. How much would that be again? Be a lot. God damn my Windows. I really need to fix shit. Windows is always just giving me problems. LibreOffice Calc. Good enough. Because I refuse to pay for Office. Fuck Microsoft. Okay. Equals 2 to the 6. 64. Minus 1, that's 63. That is not as much as I was expecting. That is actually really good. Okay. Hold on. What the fuck? Go away. Okay. Do I want to generate blank cells for now? That would probably be the better option. So I could just focus solely on generation, and actual physical cells can yes, we will do that. Okay. Using blank cells for now. Designed to take no. Use blank cells for now. Okay. Design to generate based on preloaded walls, floors, and ceilings. Yes. That is the more ideal. Okay. So, private void generate cubes. Let's see. How do I want it to mark on and off which side is there? Reasonably, you would want 1 for side equals true. 0 for false. Okay. If my memory of this serves correctly, I could do remainder division. Int limit, and here generate cubes. Actually, let me not have it pass a value, because I don't see a reason why I would want to. Yeah. Hard to iterate. Okay. Int limit equals 2. Hold on. F dot how. Okay, F raised to the P power. Okay, yeah. So I can do 2 to the 6. And it does not want to do an int variation. That is kind of annoying. That's okay, though. I can just do float. Oh, wait, no. Not even that. Int. And just do f dot round. I think that's a math function. I forgot the f. F dot round to int. I tabbed and it did not do. Okay. And now for a for loop. For int I equals 0. I is less than limit. Actually, you know what? 1. Because if I do 0, all of it's going to be zeroed. And, ooh, actually, okay, no. This is actually right. I want to do 0, stop short of the limit, because at the limit, all sides will be sealed, there will be no entry or exit point, makes it a useless cube. I++ to iterate, and using a switch case. Do I want to use a switch case? No, I don't think a switch case would actually be better here. Because it's going to be checking each one anyway. I would be better off with just if statements. It's not like it's going to be if statements nestled within if statements like Yandere does, so that's fine. I don't need to worry about a switch here. Switch is honestly not necessary. Because it would just be... And it should be the same computation time if I do it either way. It's either one way or the other. And it's going to check every goddamn time. So... Side 1... And if I do int I equals I range division. Wait, no. I want to do integer division for this. And I want it to be 32, I think. Do I want it to be 32? Yeah. I would want it to be 32. Yeah, because 2 to the 5th would be 32. The limit is 2 to the 6th. 32 plus every other power of 2 prior, it would sum up to 63, just short of the limit. That's correct. Okay. I am probably going to do a lot of redundancy with this, but I would rather make it concrete and guaranteed than to just go off an assumption. Never assume. When you assume, you make an ass of yourself. So, current... what do I want to name this? You know what? I'll just name it current side bool. That would be accurate. Because I want to say Booleans have integer conversions. If not, I could just use a basic if-else. It doesn't matter. I am overthinking things as usual. I'm losing my train of thought. I divided by 32. Yes. And I want to do mathf dot floor to int. Yes. That's what I want to do. Because if it's less than 32, it will always come back 0, which means that side is not active. I was interrupted for a moment. Let's see. Damn it, where was I? Okay. Yeah. If I divide by 32, and if it's less, the side will not be active. If it's over, that side will be active. That is what I want. That is basically integer division without the remainder. So, that being said, remainder equals... I don't need to copy all that. I divided by 32. That I should do with a percent. So that is the operator for remainder division. Yes. Good. That is good. Okay. I can actually optimize this a little. Okay. You know what? This needs to be a while, actually. While I does not equal 0. Actually, no. phi I is greater than 1. Because once it's done cycling through all of the different powers, it's either going to be a 0 or a 1 to signify if 2 to the 0 is there or not. Yes. Okay. So, if I is greater than 1, okay, yeah. That one doesn't need a check. That comparator is the check. Okay. Int current side equals excuse me. It's going to be starting from the same side every time. Wait, no. No, not necessarily. I need to use a list here. List int bool int equals new list, god damn it, int wire, oh, the parentheses. I mix things up. Okay, list bool int, and as I feed it in, I will then just need to feed it in reverse. Right? Or no? This is troublesome. I think I know how I can do this. I will make it a static int array, and the int array will be of size 6 for each slot. And so, if I do bool int 6, no, I need to grab the side. Size is what I meant. Bool int dot size. It's not size, it's count, actually, if I'm not mistaken, or not. Oh, there's length. That's what it was. There's so many different ways that you can call what is effectively the same damn thing. Ugh. Programming languages are such a pain. Okay. Length. That first one will be checking okay. Okay. Hold on. Yeah, length is a size 6, because one for each side. Okay, I need to do length minus 1 for the power issue. And I see where I need to go with this. Int current power equals that. Starting from the 5th power, which is 32. So, if I do current power, and if I do it like that, current power is effectively the current side. So, with this, I can actually do bool int current power. Yes, yes, that is what I want. Grayed out length. cannot be used like a method. Oh, parentheses. So... gallbladder pain. I need to get that looked at. Eventually. I am very negligent of my health. I should not do that. Okay. This... Let's see. I need to pop this out here. Because right here, generating side booleans for each case. I need to make an array of an array, actually. Oh, God, okay, yeah. I am making this difficult. Okay. That goes there. Cool. Array and an array. I am probably not doing this the best. Arrays aren't exactly my strong suit, but I make them work however I need. Total sides. I don't need to capitalize that. Total sides equals... Oh! Damn it. Brain, work with me. New Boolean. And I think I can set this to limit. And that should be fine. And then when all of this is done, I can do total sides I, and then, oh wait, equals, okay, I'm gonna need to make another bool. Okay, I know what I can do. Change that to bool. Yes, this is better. Much better. Okay. Bool values. Naming conventions help with debugging. Because if you don't name your stuff practically, when you come back to it later, you're not gonna know what the fuck you're doing. Especially if you don't leave comments. Okay. Okay, math, and... Oh, right. Okay. Yeah, I see what I need to do here. So, cut... if... Damn, semicolon. Else... Okay. If floor to int equals 0, then that equals false, otherwise equals true. I forgot the second equal. There's the equals operator, I mean. Jargon is not my strong suit either. Total sides I equals... I should be able to just pass it bool values now. Yes. This should be correct. Generating side booleans for each case. Okay. What the fuck? Oh, I must have had it highlighted or something. There. Okay. For int I, this is going to be debugging now. 0 and I is less than total sides dot length I plus copy paste excuse me J then it should be the same every time, but I just want to do it like that in case for whatever reason it does not, because good god, that's going to be annoying. String output equals empty string output plus equals new line, and then output, do that, output plus equals that, I'll do it there. It's gonna look a little off, but that's fine. Actually, I can clean that up ever so slightly. Output dot trim start. Yes. Oh no, that's not actually what I want. Dot. Isn't there just a remove? Yes, there is. Okay, good. Remove 0. That'll get rid of that first one, and it'll look a little bit better. Okay. Ooh, I'll do it a little bit better too. Output dot length -1. That should make it nice and clean to read. This is honestly not important. Why am I stressing so much over this? Fine, it's fine. Okay, output plus equal total sides I J to string plus a comma, and I will precede it with a space. This is fine. Everything is fine. I will save, and I will pull off to side. And now, if I do this, it will do nothing. Why? Why? Why you do nothing? That's odd. It should be doing something. I have generation source and... Oh, it's running it right now, actually. Oh no, I did not save. Shit, I created an infinite loop. Son of a... I have to force close Unity now. Great. That's great. Fantastic. Great job, you dummy. Ugh. Why is it not closing? It made me get the task manager. Where is it? Details. Even my task manager is struggling. Up at the top. There it is. End task. Cool. I have to reopen it now. Ugh. great. Absolutely great. Where is my water? That's odd. My water is missing. And I just unplugged my headphones. Not like I'm listening to anything. Oh, okay. I need to fix this. I will fix this and then go find my water. So, while I is greater than 1... Okay, what I'm setting as remainder, that actually needs to become the new I. Does it? Hold on. I'm detecting something amiss in these calculations. Well, it's greater than 0. That's what it needs to be. And just to catch, in the event that it is 0... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. False. That's what I need to do. Because with that code, the way it is, it'll never check, or originally how it was, it would never check for 2 to the power 0, which would be checking basically if it comes back as a 1 or a 0. So I think this is right. Actually, this needs to be shifted. Because if it's true, then we take the remainder. Otherwise, I needs to stay the same. Okay, you know what? Hold on. Int remainder 0, that's just filler. Because if I'm altering this I, that's going to mess with the for loop. So if I just do while current power is greater than or equal to 0. Because then if it starts going negative, that's... You know, we're dealing with crazy territory there. Okay, remainder equals 0. Actually, remainder equals I. And then what I can do is bring that here and replace the i's with remainder. Yes. That sounds correct. We should not have a for loop now. Create empty, module creator, qgen, files, save project. Let's see if this works. Divide by 0, god damn it. Oh, yeah, you know what? That actually does make sense. Oh. Okay. I see what I need to do. I need to do a special case for 0 after the for loop. I'll bring it in so it can be seen. So, it needs to be greater than 0. And then after this, what it needs to do is if remainder equals 0, it'll be false, otherwise it'll be true. And because current power would be 0, yes, that should be correct. And starting from all 0, all sides would be false, so they would be empty blocks. It would be false, 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 and then it would slowly become all true. Start index cannot be less than 0. What are you talking about? Is that the debug string? It has to be the debug string. Okay. That's why output is a length of 0. You can't get from digit -1. That would be silly. Just do that. That's just filler for it to proceed normally. I'm a goddamn idiot. I make the output, but I don't pass it to debug. Are you kidding me? It's been a while since I've coded, so it would make sense that I am making some pretty awful mistakes. Debug.log output. Why did I tab? Why did it even do anything? There. Fine. That's fine. Save all. Pull to the side. Play. False. Okay. Okay, good thing that there's no chat, because that you can actually see this. I need to reposition this a little. That's fine. You know what? Perfect. That's perfect. Perfect reorientation. And if I accidentally grabbed the window. That's what I get for looking aside. Pull that aside. Pull this just enough to clear. Good. That'll be set for future reference. So, false, false, false. False, true, false, false. Oh, no, that's not right at all. Oh, that is definitely not right. What the hell? What in the... What? What is with this? Okay. Okay, hold on. First off, that 0 should be gone. Output.remove. Output.length -1. At a length of 1, -1, it'll be looking to remove at the start. Oh, I am so out of touch. And start index. I am so out of touch. I am so out of touch. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's at a length of 6. 0. 1, 2, 3. Something's wrong. What? is it like this? That's odd. Okay. I'm gonna do something I probably shouldn't. But it'll help give a little bit of clarity. Index out of range. Line 55? J is less than 6, but hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. False. The array was incorrect size. In fact, I don't even need to do that. I'll do that. God, what? What? Huh? Array initializer length of 6. Oh. If this fixes, I will explain. False, 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 true, true, what? That's on the second iteration. Why would it be on that? Well, I'll explain what I just fixed. So I fixed this back to actually just generate of length rather than to automatically input all false. This I put in the raw limit as well as here for each of these sub arrays. And that helped me realize that my arrays originally were only size 5, not 6. This, however, there's a problem here. And I'm not sure what. It does seem to go to a length of 64, though. Something isn't right. Okay. Pull array. I'll walk through it. Current power starting off is at a 5. I go to the if statement, and why am I like this? I forgot to compute. Okay, that's mathf dot pow to the current power. That's what I needed to do. I'm an idiot. That was dumb. I was basically trying to do remainder of I divided by 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No wonder that was looking funky. Now it'll do 32, 16, 8, 4, 2. True. That's not right. That is not right. Okay. When it's 0, it's not going to equal any. When it is 1, it should not. Floor to int. If I do 1 divided by 32, flooring to int, that should come back as a 0. That's not right. This is implying that it comes back to a 1. That's not right at all. Hold on. One, 2, 4, 8. Hold the heck on, that's... Okay, it's doing something. You know what? We'll do this a little bit different. Well, hold on. Oh. I think I understand what's going on now. One divided by 32. That equals 0. Actually, no. Hold on. What's with this? I am an idiot, an idiot, an idiot. Okay. Okay. How do I want to do this? How do I want to do this? Wait! Hold on! No! This actually might be coming out right. I just have it in a weird way. The way Boolean is normally read, it's supposed to be flipped. Ah, fuck, I'm an idiot. Okay. I can fix this, though. I can fix this formatting issue. The way I can do that is, let's see. Bool values dot length minus current power. Since it'll be at a length of 6 minus minus 1, and then minus that, then it'll be fine. That should fix the formatting issue. File, save all, move. Ah, I can't believe I confused myself like that. Okay, yes. 0, 1, 2. 3 should have both of these to true. There's something wrong with that, not having both. Okay, when it gets to power 1, that's checking for if its remainder's 2. Okay, no. 3 divided by 2 equal to 0. 3 divided by 2, flooring it, it's going to equal 1. So it'll come here, and I'll make it true, and then remainder equals remainder, with remainder division, current power. And so that should come back to a 1. Hold on. Remainder division. Oh! I am a dummy. we go. That should fix that. I recognized that problem beforehand with the other one, but I didn't realize it carried over to there. Do 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 do. Hold on. No. Had a type issue. This was coming back as a float. It needs to be an int, because this is an int. Can't mix floats and ints. So now it should come back right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. Okay, scrolling all the way to the bottom, it all comes out true. Good. That means it's properly set up now. Which means I can set up the blocks next for generation. Let's see. I will make a note before I go grab my water. This can be commented out now. Side check. Given array of sides should be x, y, x negative, y negative. Actually, no. Y should be height. Y is height, correct? Yes, Y is height. Let me stick with what the crafting... Not crafting grid. Yes, we're crafting. Let me stick with what the coordinate grid says. Negative Z... Wait, no. Z... Negative X... Negative Z... Y, and negative Y. The reason why I am setting it up like that is because, for future reference, I'm going to have a generation type, and I'll actually make that note here. Or do I want to make that note here? I don't know if this would actually be useful. I'll make the note at the top. And I'll actually move this note there. And in its place, the note here will be generating cube meshes. This is gonna be fun, because it's been a hot minute, and I know there's a lot of technicality behind it. Okay. Class 2 will be locked off for dealing with zero height generation. Yes. Generating cube meshes, yes. Okay. I think I have a thing for... Yep, there it is. Time to find my water. Alright, water acquired. Now, did that mess with my audio quality a little bit? Oh? Okay, I leveled out. Good enough. And nope, that's the wrong one. There we go. Let me actually AFK text name objective. Cool. Okay. Let's see. So now we're gonna be generating cube meshes. Yay! This shit's gonna be annoying real quick. Alright, so let me see if I can remember. First and foremost, I cannot type. New cube equals new game object. I think I would have it as instantiate one. I think this would be correct. Wait, no. Because when you're declaring a new cube, if I recall correctly, when instantiating, like if you're declaring a new game object, that is the same as instantiation. Instantiation is meant to be used with presets to create a duplicate. Yes. Okay. Okay. I would end up having to delete the mesh and everything anyway. So, let's see. 3D object, cube. Let's examine this. So, it has a mesh filter. I think I will just use this. Yeah. Okay. New cube. Instantiate. New. No. Cube. Preset. And at the top here, global variables. I've got the comment. Public game object cube preset. And so this should be resolved. Yep. Okay. Put that off to the side for now. Okay. Oh, it's recompiling at the moment. Oh, wait, no. No, because I didn't save. I will save real quick so that way I can just set that up and not forget. Cube gen, cube preset. Okay. It's the mesh renderer that I'm going to need to mess with. So, new cube dot get component mesh renderer. I will also comment all of this out for the moment. Reason being is because I want to make sure that I have things set up as far as mesh is concerned. because otherwise I'm gonna be having a headache. So, mesh renderer component, and there's this particular piece to this. Where are you? No. Is it not in this one? Ah, damn it. It's been a hot minute since I messed with this. I might be misremembering. Maybe it is mesh filter. Let's see. Mesh filter. Dot. Mesh. Okay. That is a mesh object. Equals new mesh. Okay, it can't pass parameters to it. Okay, let me just type mesh. Mesh renderer dot. Okay. Just do mesh. Mesh dot. Okay, mesh data. That's a type of structure. Man, okay, hold on. There is something I'm missing. Okay. It probably is mesh filter, because that actually has the mesh applied for the model. Mesh render just actually controls it showing. So messing with mesh filter, new mesh, returns the instantiate mesh. Okay. Mesh, new mesh equals new mesh. New mesh dot. Okay, vertices. This is what I wanted. Okay. Set vertices. I can pass it the list of vectors. Okay. I believe there's also triangles further down. Okay. Set triangles. I can also set UVs, but I'm not worrying about that right now. That's gonna be a headache for another time, because good God, I need to plan texturing for that. Oh God. One thing at a time. One thing at a time. That's why I'm doing one step at a time. I need to do generation first. I can worry about the model stuff after. This is just checking to make sure generation is going to work correctly, because I could just plop in different models once I have it set right. So, get vertices, get triangles. Triangles is going to have to come after vertices, because triangles are dependent on the vertices. So, let's see. I need to copy paste this. Copy paste this down here, because I'm going to need that for dictating vertices. I'm also going to have to put this in a loop. And you know what? I'm just going to start that here. May as well get that started. For I equals 0, I is less than... Why are you doing if? What the fuck? Oh, because I didn't declare type. Duh. And I less than... I realize that... Okay, you know what? I think I can get away with this. Because my memory of meshes is coming back. Okay. Generating cube meshes. So... I less than... bool... No, it's not bool values. It's... what is it? Total sides, that's what it is. Total sides dot length I plus plus. Okay. So I think this would probably be the case where I end up using switch. So switch, and this is going to be in a for loop. Okay. Int j equals 0. J is less than total sides I dot length j plus plus. One moment. Okay, where was I? My windows are acting up. Why are my windows acting up? There we go. Okay. J will be the switch. Now, case 0. That's going to be x positive. So, new vector 3 x. No. Okay, I need to think. If I'm going in x positive, it's going to be a 1, for sure. So then, x and y, they're each going to be alternating. Okay, so I can just do 1, 1, where they're all positive. Let me be a little more practical about this. List vector 3 mesh points. Well, let me be more practical. Vertices. Because that's what they are. They are vertices. Equals new list Vector 3. Open close parentheses, semicolon. Good, 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 good. Okay. Mesh vertices dot add. And the reason I'm using a list is because rather than doing an array is static. It cannot be changed. A list can be changed dynamically, and once done, can be converted into a static array, which is what I believe I will be doing eventually. Mesh vertices dot... Is it not add? Oh, it's capital A. Go figure. Okay. And now if I do this, I can just do minor adjustments. Yes. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to optimize this later. Damn it. This is what happens when you have an overworking brain. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Generating cube meshes. I'll make the note up here. For future reference with mesh generation, create a tri-merger. It's not how you spell try. For future reference with mesh generation, create a tri-merger to remove duplicate vertices while keeping tries intact. Specifically, I may as well make note of how that needs to be done, so I'm not racking my brain later. Specifically, read the entire list of tries and mark each vertice with a tag. Well, hold on. Read the entire list of tries. Fetch the coordinate associated with the vertice number Okay. I have my list of tries. Though each try has a sublist of vertices. Each of those vertices points to a specific coordinate. Of those coordinates... Okay, fetch the coordinate associated with the vertice number. And... recreate list of tries using coordinate... Wait, no. Okay. Here's what we'll do. Get full list of coordinates I need to do this now because it's going to bother me for God knows how long. Get the full list of coordinates. Once I get that full list of coordinates, there's going to be a lot of duplicates. what I need to do is... okay. I'm having a hard time visualizing this in my head. So we're just going to put this in a spreadsheet. Okay. So, list of chords. Tries. List of chords. Well, let me just make this the vertice list. Vertice list. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this equals cat this, this. And I'll add in a little bit of stuff so I can actually make sense of it. Okay, if I do this... Okay. Vertice value 1, 3, 5. Just hitting random numbers at this point. Okay. Clean that up a little bit. Okay. Vertices in try. Vertice list, vertice value. You know what? Vertice number. That's a little better. A little more practical. Vertice value, vertice tag. So, let's say A, C, D, B, have them mapped to their letters, respectively. D, this is supposed to be E. E, F, G, H. Okay. Okay. So, with these vertice tags, I can then have it pressed vertice numbers. Vertice tag A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. You know what? I'm sure that's going to bother people. There. Okay. Compress vertice numbers. So... okay. Here's what I can do. Copy. It'll be easier to make sense of it if I just do it this way. So... if I end up making it like this, it'll tell me it converts the try to be tag-based instead of based on the vertices, their coordinates. So... let's see. full list of tries. We'll start with that. With each try, wait, no. Okay. Take full list of vertices and compress in second array with no duplicates. Tweak this a little bit so I can read it easier. Okay, so I take the full list of vertices and compress in a second array with no duplicates. Take the no duplicate array my brain is right there with it. It's just struggling. If I take the no duplicate array, hold on. Try vertice num compressed vertices new try. Yes. That's what it is. Okay, so based on that, take a given try. Take the vertice number and compare that number with the compressed list. This is better. This is better. We're getting there. So, take the given try, take the vertice number in that try, and compare that number with the compressed list. Where equal, create new try pointing to vertice in compressed list. There we go. Okay. That's what I needed. It is incredibly complicated, but that is what needs to be done. So I should be able to just do that. Okay. So that's the future note for handling the mesh with less vertices. I assure you that is something you want to do. Otherwise, you're going to be consuming so many fucking resources, it's not even funny. You're going to be chugging. Alright. With these module cubes, I don't need to worry about optimizing it in the moment. And even in, I can create an optimizer later on, which could be used universally for any mesh. So that this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. I am going to lose my goddamn mind. Okay. So... oh god, okay. So I need to keep in mind the orientation of the vertices. There is... let me open Paint. Z box X negative Z negative. I don't care to capitalize now. So normals basically say which way the graphic will show. You have a 2D plane. On one side, it'll show you that like triangle mesh, and on the other side, well, it doesn't have to be a triangle, but the point is, on one side of the mesh, it will show. On the other side, it will not show. There are two ways that this is handled. It either goes by one method, in which, let's see, we'll just do pencil. There is counterclockwise, in which the coordinates, I'll connect these two, the coordinates need to be fed to the try. What the hell? One moment. There's the window I'm looking for. There we go. Okay, I don't think chat is working. But probably for the better at the moment. I will revise that later. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Okay, yeah. As I was saying, if the normal orientation is set in a counterclockwise fashion, then that means the vertices need to be fed to the try in a counterclockwise motion. Meaning, say we start from this one, we then need to feed this one, and then this one, for us to be able to see this triangle. And as you could probably figure, if it goes the other way, and we start from here, then we do this one, and then this one. then we'll be able to see that one. Now, if I'm not mistaken, Unity is right-handed, which means it's counterclockwise. There's a trick to it in which, like, if you hold your hand straight up, your thumb serves as the indicator of you being able to see it. So, with it being right hand, it needs to be counterclockwise, I believe. So, let's see. Let me not do that before I get banned. I don't want to deal with a copyright strike. So, if we go off of this, say A, B, C, D, so 1, 1, A, okay, hold on. This is fine. Oh, I actually had that set up wrong. I just noticed. Okay. So, Z, Z, Y, Y, so, X, Y, Z. So that's A. This is B, I believe. Yeah, yeah. And then C, D. Okay. So, based off of that, I'm going to need to make a second list with ints. Because of the way I'm having to set this up, let's tries. No, capitalized. So, mesh tries. And because of the way I'm having to set this up, I'm going to have to kind of do it from the back, which will create duplicates, but that will get revised with the optimizer. So, going off of this, if I instead do it like this, I could kind of do this in a little bit cleaner of a orientation. So, counterclockwise, if I start from D, I then need to go to C, D, C, B, and then if I start from B, I could do CA. B, C, A. Okay. Then, mesh vertices. The orientation's not going to be right. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Mesh vertices dot length. No, count, because it's list. Count minus 1, and that's for D. So then, if I do C, decrement by 2, 3, then 4. Oh, and it's actually going to be a cluster of int arrays. I missed that little bit. Dot add new int I need to remove parentheses. Should be able to full screen that now. Do that. Okay. We'll do new cube dot name cube 1, actually cube plus I dot doString. That's what I want to do. Object.name cannot be used like a method. Isn't there a set name? Dot set, no, yeah, dot name. There is a way to set the name. Instantiate dot name? Oh wait, no. Instantiate, I think, has a way that you can, let's see, add the name. Oh, is there not? Oh, that's crazy. I just wondered there was a way to do that. Name dot replace. Okay, that must have changed across the versions. Name dot replace. And I believe it does strings. Yeah. Okay. There we go. That should work. So then, after this, I should be able to do new mesh dot set vertices. Oh, it actually takes the list. Okay, that's actually convenient. Oh, it does both. Okay. I'll just pass it the raw list. So that should work. Mesh vertices doesn't exist in the current context. Okay. That's about right. Tries. Set triangles. Now, what do you mean? Okay. I can pass it a list of ints. Oh. Damn it. Okay, I know what this... Damn it. Okay. 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 That's kind of inconvenient. It's okay, though. It is entirely okay. List int try list equals new list int, and then for int I, no, j equals 0. J is less than dash tries dot count j plus plus. We're going to end up having to do that again. Increase every j with an L. Wait, no, K would be next. Skipping over K. Let's be consistent now. And then I do J dot length. And then try list dot add mesh try J K. And then here, I can do try list 0. That'll do. Then I get component, set new mesh. Maybe set to new mesh. Here is what I would do. I would do 63. That way it will do it straight at the end. And that should have almost all of the sides. Actually, that will in fact have all of the sides. Because I didn't have it do limit -1 here. That's actually good that I didn't do that. Okay. Yep, that sounds about right. The variable Q preset of module creator has not been assigned. What do you mean it has not been assigned? Oh, I did that earlier with... it was running in play mode. The inconveniences. Okay. Do that. File. Save. Save project. Play. This should work now. Oh? Oh, oh? Ah, darn it. Okay. Let me pull this away. So this should be in X positive. Ah. Okay, so Z, Y. Okay, so apparently the orientation is the other way. Gotta love that! I'm sure there's a way that I could set a way for it to automatically configure based off of vertices. Or, like, take a given try and, like... Ugh. Let me not. Let me not. I say that as I go to make a note. For invalid normal. You know what? No. No, no, no. No, no, no. I'm going to go insane if I try. It is not that important. I can just rework it. Literally all I need to do is just do it in reverse. And what I mean by that is just take this given one and just swap the ends. That's literally all I need to do. In fact, now that I think about it, that's the easiest way you can flip a normal. Oh my god, that's perfect actually. Okay. If normals of a mesh do not generate as intended, use a mesh debugger needs making to go through each try highlighted with an option to invert. I am insane. Okay, so now with this saved, this is a dirty way of doing this, but it'll be fine. Now, okay, I need to restart is the thing. So now, yes. Wait, hold on. No, if this is going to be like a labyrinth, it needs to point inward. Oh, I'm a moron. So I just need to flip those back. I'm a dummy. Okay. I need to do thing. So, this is going to be very important, because this will help create connection points between blocks. So I need to make a new script now. Module config. So, with module config, we'll have public enum connection types. Excuse me. Okay. So, it'll be xpos x neg z. Hold on. I'll make this easier on myself. No access. And I'll actually bump that up front. Okay. X, Y, Z. Okay. And then public valid connections. I forgot the enumeration type. Connection type. That is its type. Connection types type. Valid connections. And that is going to be array. So then public void set connections, and this will operate based off of the int array connections, which we made in module creator. So for int I equals 0, I'm thinking too much ahead. One step at a time. I less than connections dot length I plus plus. I need to hop over here and grab this because that is important. I guess ultimately it doesn't really matter the orientation of these based on the connection types. Actually, no, that's a lie. That is a lie. But connection types will be useful when dictating generation. Okay. Ow. Oh, that burn mark is really being a pain right now. Let's see. So, this is where I use... Wait, hold on. Do I want to use switch? Do I want to use switch? I think I want to use switch. Yes. Connections. Connections I. And this is... Oh, okay. No. I need to pass I here. And then... Hold on. Am I doing this right? Connections gives me this list here, and it's going to be a combination of true and falses. That means that this actually needs to be Boolean. So the Boolean of connections of being true and false. I'm thinking too far ahead, but I may as well check. sure I checked for a moment. Okay, valid connections dot. Okay, I would have to create logic for it. Alright. Switch I, then start with case 0. If I realize there's something I need to do differently, we'll just get to it then. So this is x positive. So if connections I need to do not, because those booleans are saying if there's a wall or not. If there's not a wall, then that means the connection is true. So that means list connection types list connection type con dot add x. There we go. Yeah, this seems correct. This seems like what I want to be doing. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on. If I'm not mistaken, I can pass this an end, can't I? Yes, I can. Okay, I can optimize this. I can absolutely optimize this. Oh, I love that. That's great. Okay, so I'll bump this back to the end. And then I need to reorganize these. So x positive, I then need to take z positive. X negative, C negative. Okay. And that means, with this, no matter which one it is, I can basically just take the given connection. If it's not true, then I just need to add relative to the I. Wait, can I not? Cannot convert from int to module config.connection type. The fuck are you talking about? Yes, you can. Bullshit. I call bullshit. Alright, that just means I need to undo everything. Well, that's annoying. Oh well. I mean, all this basically is just an int array, or like an int counter with just string tags. That's all it is. Okay. Damn string tags with int values. Okay, so that wraps up that. I need to adjust these. Oh, actually no. That's Z pause That's an egg. Z, egg, Y, egg. Okay. That'll work. So, what I then need to do is do new cube dot get component module config dot set connections. That's what it was. And then I need to pass it total sides I. That'll do. That'll do, that'll do, that'll do. Oh, and I'm almost forgetting. Valid connections equals con dot to array. Perfect. Get vertices and tries. And now one is Z positive, 2 is X negative. I'm gonna try and cheat my way with this a little. If I make these all negative and then invert these for 3, 3, 1. That'll have that inverted. Ugh. 1, 2, no, 3. That's what I want to do. This is now in Z. Z1 is positive. Why am I silly me? Okay. It's honestly fine if the meshes don't come out properly at the moment. Because since I'm checking the last one, which will have all walls true, I'll be able to see which ones aren't correct. Five, Y, Y, da, 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 and then it's the X's I need to tweak. Da, 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 da. Okay. Now with that configured, I should be able to generate, and valid connections should come out as being empty. Cube clone, no connections, no mesh name. Okay, yes, some of this is gonna need to be tweaked. So the only ones that seem correct are on the x-axis. And it seems everything in Y and Z needs to be inverted. Go figure, that would happen. The fact that I managed to do that is honestly impressive. 3, 1, 4, 3. And because of the way I set it up, I can actually just copy paste for the rest. There we go. Oh wait, okay, I see what I'm doing now. Not exactly. So I need to paste this here. I can't just paste on all. File, save all. Oh? Oh, yes. It works. Yes, yes, yes. That's what I like to see. Okay. Module collection. And for future reference, module assets. That way, whenever it creates, like actually instantiates the module, they'll be able to pull from assets and be able to place walls and stuff together. Yes, yes, this is what I want. So now, with that done, I've created a way for it to instantiate the cubes. And so now, whenever I do this, ooh, I also need to, let's see, public, excuse me, object, module collection, reference. New cube dot set, transform dot set parent to module transform there. Okay. And that should create my full list. And so now, if I do this, uh-oh. What happened? Okay, pull that off to the side so I can read. Unassigned reference exception, variable, perhaps one of the most common errors I make. Let's see. CubeGen. Module collection. Alright. Silly me. Okay. It should have generated all of them. Good God, it did not apply their name, though. Wasn't that something I did? Yeah, that there was supposed to be a name thing going on there. Okay. That's kind of annoying. I know there's a way to set names. I've done it before in past versions. So, dot set name dot length split trim contains clone copy to ends with index insert move. Okay, hold on. Insert. Okay, I think I can work with this. Okay, we'll move 0 new cube dot name dot length, and then I could do new cube dot name dot insert. I'm kind of stumped that. How does it not accept that? New cube dot name equals. Why is it not? Wait, hold on. It does accept it. I must have done something wrong the first time. Okay. I don't need to worry about that then. I'd have to look back to see what I did wrong. Generate. Oh. Oh, that's beautiful. Select all. Turn off. I'm going to select a random one. Cube 24. Turn off the cube. Oh, hold on. This isn't right. It created all. Oh, that's because I didn't add logic. That's about right. That's about right. That's about right. Okay. This is fine. It just takes a slight adjustment. It's very similar to what I did in the other one. Total sides I J. If it's true, that means there's a wall, so it should proceed. And I can do that for just about every single one. Now, it'll only generate the wall if it says to generate the wall. Is now off. All of these turn off. I'll grab 23 this time. So, oh, this is a tunnel. So both directions in X should be open. Yes. Yes. This brings me joy. You gotta love procedural generation. Now you might be wondering, as evident from earlier, how useful is this considering that, whenever we close play, all of this is gone? Well, you see, while that is true, doesn't clear the pace bin. Ah, what a wonderful loophole. So, rename. I can disable cube gen because I now have all of my cubes generated. And they all have placeholder walls, which I could disable and then just have with build assets, and I could instead use the mesh filter as a collider. Oh, yes. 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 Well, I think I have just reached my goal for today. Creating procedural generation cells. That's all the cell modules. All that I could ever need, really. Ah. Absolutely wonderful. So, let's see. What will I do next? What, oh what, would I ever do next? Let's see, rename. Oh wait, no, not rename. I want to go into properties. Procedurally generate on a zero height plane. I'm going to have to expand this, I think. Yep. Oh, I kind of typoed a little. Go back into properties. Remove that extra L. Procedurally generate on a zero height plane. Excellent. Ah, this is gonna be so good. So fun. Well, that's it from me. See you next time.